Hello, kindergarten friends. It's Miss Dom. Today is a holiday, Monday, your art day. However, some of you still might want to visit and do some art. So we'll start getting into the art workbook next week. Today, I thought you might like to enjoy playing some art-related games. So to the left and to the right of this video, you'll see some words. If you click on those words, it will take you to some really fun art games presented by PBS Kids that you can try out. Another thing you might want to do that's art related on a holiday is maybe go outside and do some sidewalk chalk. If you don't have sidewalk chalk, if it's a sunny day, if you just have a cup of water and a paintbrush or even a sponge, you can draw on the sidewalk with the water and then watch your drawings disappear as the water dries. So enjoy doing something creative on your holiday, and I'll see you next time. Bye.